Today I thought I would work in this small little art journal, and you would have seen the video for this page where I've just added colour to it actually, and I've got several pages in here with things on them that are just jump off points. So sometimes I retain the image that's there and sometimes I do something different, but I thought there's a page back here right at the back that I thought I would add some doodling to. And so initially all I did, I've got a green pen that I added some green and some yellow, and it's been gessoed so it's kind of slightly rough, but I just wanted to add some doodling, add to this page, just like a meditative piece. So let's go. Okay, so here we are, my finished page. Nice little doodle, meditative time. You could go on. We're going to leave it there. It's quite cute, isn't it? Thanks for watching.